Hi. So I wanted to show you how to finish off your project. Once you have edited your text and you've added your background photo, you are just about there. So the last step is to delete, like I said before, any images you don't want. So if you just want this one for the front, you would delete the other pages. And let's say that you wanted just two photos for the back, then you would delete all the other pages. Okay, and then you would go ahead and choose download. And you have three options. You could download it as a PDF. When to use PDF, mostly I use it when I'm home printing. If I'm printing from home, I will save the file as a PDF and print it straight from my printer. And they give you a few options. I do not show bleed when I'm printing from home. If you're printing something with a white background, you will want to show trim marks. It's going to show you where to cut around the file so that you have it the exact size you want it. But when I print from with this kind of a background, I would be able to see the cream over the white, so I don't need trim marks. And then I always would choose save paper because with this file, this is a 5x7, and you could print 2 pages per um, 2 files per page, so that you would save paper instead of just 1 per page, which would waste a lot of paper. I'm not sure how that works double-sided, so I would probably get it professionally printed if you're doing double-sided, but I would always choose to save paper if I'm printing from home. So that's a PDF. You also could choose a JPEG. And for a JPEG, you would, any professional printer is going to want a JPEG with 300 DPI quality so that you don't have blurry, very low quality images. So this is going to be if you send it to a professional printer. The last option is a PNG format. And the PNG is if you need a transparent background. So if you're printing something that maybe has a circle and you don't want to see a white background behind it for some reason, which this is not really the case, so I'm not really going to go into that. So your options would either be print from home via PDF or print with a professional printer in a JPEG format. If you choose a JPEG format, they will send you a zip, they will download it as a zip file, and then if you have more than one page, they'll be in the zip file. So you will find a little yellow folder, well, if you use a PC, a little yellow folder and with a zipper, and inside that will be your canvases to send to the printer. All right, if you are sending it to the printer, you will always want to add bleed. That makes sure there's no like white edge around your image. So just add bleed, make sure it says 300 DPI, and then go ahead and download it to your computer, and then you may go ahead and upload it to whatever professional printing you want. So those are the 2 options for downloading your file. Just make sure that you only have, when you download, the files you actually want, and you delete the ones you don't want. All right, that's it.